Miss Gross, Janika Gross.
Yes.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Calendar on Wednesday and see what's looking like. Yeah, you can push it up.
Sometimes.
City of Detroit versus Janika Renee Gross, case number SP 1497952, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Miss Gross.
Janika Renee Gross.
All right, you need to turn your camera on, Miss Gross. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Is she with us? Where are you at?
Purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Yes, Your Honor. We waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
All right, Ms. Gross, you need to turn your camera on.
It's on.
Very well. Well, I need to see you.
Oh, sorry.
I mean, there's no purpose in turning the camera on if I can't see you, right?
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
I said there was no purpose in turning the camera on if I can't see who I'm talking to.
Sorry.
All right. As for purposes of bond, counselor, you already did that. $0 bond, not guilty plea on her behalf. Ms. Gross, do you have valid registration and insurance?
Yes, I do.
Can you show me the documentation, please? Did you already see this, Mr. Berry?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. As officer of the court, you certify that it's good. Okay, very good. He's already seen it. Provided, I see it, provided valid documentation, I'm going to dismiss the case and I'll waive the warrant fee.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, have a great day, ma'am. Have a safe, happy holiday season, all right?
You too, thank you.
Bruce Green is trying to get back. Bruce Green is fine.
All right.
I can't see that. I don't see him.
Who do we have next?
I've got a
We're
poll.
ready.
Yeah, go right ahead, please.
You can go in there with Gonzalez if you want
Yes.
to, or bring them out. Go ahead, Ms. Harris. Who do you have?
I'm ready on Courtney Grimes and L. Grimes, Thomas Golston, and Mr. O'Neill.
All of them are. What's going to happen with them?
L. Grimes, she's just asking for an adjournment as she's retaining an attorney. Mr. Golston needs a
L. Grimes. Let's do L. Grimes. Let's do that. Where are you, Miss Grimes? Are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Right. Cold, huh?
No, I'm recovering from my lupus flare up, so I just kind of been.
No, I know how that. I don't know how this personally, but my sister-in-law had lupus, and I know a couple of people.
Yeah.
So
it is not the greatest.
No. I hope you're speedy.
Thank you, Judge.
Detroit versus Labrisha Ann Grimes, case number SP 1311931, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1312011, counts 1, 2, and 3. And 17351549, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Grimes. Please state your name for the record.
Labrisha Grimes.
Your Honor, at this time, we're respectfully requesting an adjournment of the pretrial. I was able to explain to Ms. Grimes how the process works of retaining her attorney. So she wants to retain her attorney to come back to resolve her matters.
It says she has Polk here.
And that's in error. She indicated even the last time she was here that that was in
Yes.
error. So they were trying to figure out how to get her new attorney's name there.
They need to get a substitution of attorney there. Okay, Ms. Grimes, I'll give you the time. Will you be able to have one by January 23rd?
I will get on it, Judge.
All right, January 23rd, 2024 at 8:30. All right, Ms. Grimes?
You said the 23rd, right?
Yes, January 23rd, 2024. In the meantime, get well soon and have a safe, happy holiday season, all right?
You too. You too. I appreciate you. Thank you.
Okay. All right, what do we have next?
We're ready on Courtney Grimes.
What's gonna happen with Courtney Grimes? This trial?
It is trial, Your Honor. Only one officer appeared. It was Officer Corporal Baker. After discussion with the prosecutor, they want to have those matters reset for pretrial so that she could come back with her valid license, because otherwise the offer would have been a fail to display and that would have hindered her efforts.
Mr. Courtney Grimes here?
Yes,
There she is. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. How are you?
Very well. City of Detroit versus Courtney Grimes. Case number is 16295758, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 14238721, SP 1424598, counts 1, 2, and 3, and U3 13790116 17280757 State of Michigan versus Courtney Grimes, case number SX 2344751. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Grimes. Ms. Grimes, please state your name for the record.
Courtney Grimes.
As for purposes of the, today is a date and set time set for trial. The only officer, so Officer Carson never appeared, right?
That is my understanding. I never saw his name and I did not see him in the breakout room.
Officer Carson's, there's 2 people in the breakout room now.
As of 9:30, I did not see that
Right.
officer here, Your Honor.
Understood. Let's make sure we have, that person that I just. Officer Carson's. All right, hearing no response. And then we have the other tickets. Let's see, Baker. Let's see. SX 2, 3, 4, 4, 7, 5. 2 counts 1 and counts 2. That would be a trooper, L.A. Laesch, Laesch. All right. And then we have 1728-07571, Officer Linton. No response. And then we have U 313-79016. We have Officer HARNPHANICH. No response.
And defense would move to dismiss on those matters where there was no response from officer, as today was the date and time set for trial.
Very well. And then the officer, I'm going to grant the motion to dismiss no officer on those cases. And then the motion for the adjournment, that's a agreed upon adjournment. Those are going to be pretrial dates.
Yes, please, and thank you, Your Honor.
Do we have Brian to spy?
Discuss a trial.
Trial.
Yeah, you should have it.
Very well, here it is. All right, are you gonna have this stuff done by January the 23rd, Ms. Grimes?
Yes, Your Honor. I was just able to go down to the 36th district to pay the one ticket that was holding me back from my license, like the beginning of this last week. So I just need an appointment to the Secretary of State to go take my license out over again.
All right, January 23rd, 2024, come back 8:30. Have a safe, happy holiday season. Hopefully you get that license, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Your Honor, which one was that you was adjourned on?
SP 142-38721, SP 142-4598, counts 1, 2, and 3.
Okay.
All right. Mr. Grimes, safe, happy holiday season, man. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, you too.
All right. Who's next?
Gonzalez, Your Honor.
What's gonna go on with Gonzalez?
As it turns out, Your Honor, he has valid documents. We've confirmed that he has a valid license.
El señor González tiene una licencia válida y tiene documentos válidos también.
Sí.
Yes.
Buenos dias, Mr. Gonzalez.
Buenos días.
Buenos días. Good morning.
Remove your hat, Mr. Gonzalez.
Señor González tiene que sacarse el gorro, por favor.
Okay.
El gorro,
City of Detroit.
el sombrero.
Okay. Yeah.
City of Detroit versus Francisco Gonzalez, case number SP 1281893, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 1385841. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant.
Son los casos 128-893 y 5849 hasta 7. ¿Quién está hablando por el acusado? Y su abogado acaba de presentarse.
State your full name, Mr. Gonzalez.
Diga su nombre completo, señor González.
Francisco González.
Francisco González.
Your Honor, in this instance, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Señoría, en este momento no vamos a usar el derecho a que se lea la situación y vamos a permanecer callados.
Okay.
There are not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give you a client a $0 bond. Have you seen the documentation? I do have a valid driver's license here for your client.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sí, le entiendo, le voy a dar un bono de $0. Y usted, señor, usted ha visto la documentación. Y su abogado dijo, sí, su señoría.
Yes.
Sí.
All right, I'm gonna dismiss the cases for providing valid documentation. You'll just pay that seatbelt ticket. You owe $76 on it, sir. There's nothing further. Have a safe and happy holiday season.
Yo voy a cerrar el caso de la licencia porque usted ha enseñado documentos válidos, pero usted todavía tiene que pagar los $76 de que no había estado usando un cinturón de seguridad mientras estaba manejando. Ahora tenga un buen tiempo de los feriados y de las fiestas navideñas.
Igualmente.
Same to you, sir.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Gracias. Tenga un buen día.
Buen día.
Safe,
También.
happy holiday season.
Excuse me?
Tener un buen día. Ya se acabó, señor. Hasta luego.
Mr. Ruiz, have a safe, happy holiday season for you as well.
Your Honor, number one, thank you for the call. I always like working with you. Number two, you don't need anything else from me today, sir?
I don't believe so. I don't have it. I enjoy working with you as well. And we'll definitely call you soon. I don't know who they call, so, but I just, when we ask for one, I appreciate when you show up.
Thank you for the kind words, Your Honor. Happy holidays to you too. Take care, sir. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Attorney Mammoth?
Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, hello, on the, what's your name, sir, on the Joy tab, just said hello.
This is Bruce Green back.
Oh, this is back to Bruce Green. Look, you need to speak with Mr. Berry on the breakout room. Mr. Berry, Mr. Green, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. I think Mr. Berry is all the way down there at 24. I'm gonna put you in there. That's the Mr. Green has the improper plate and then the civil infraction. Join the room. He's gonna read you your advice of rights. Counselor, what's your client? Who's your client?
Michael Langwald.
Langwald?
Yeah.
What's your client gonna do?
I haven't talked to a prosecutor yet. I had to go check in with another court. I don't know if you wanted to adjourn it.
Is Dubin here? Is Dubin the
He's my associate, but I don't know if you just want to adjourn it or whatever you want.
No, I'm gonna see if the officer showed. If the officer showed, you can speak with the officer. If the officer didn't show, we'll dismiss.
Oh, the officer didn't show?
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know. Let's see. City of Detroit versus Michael Max Langwald, case number SP 15113721. Appearance for the record, please.
The officer isn't here?
No, your appearance, counsel.
Oh, Stephen Mamet, P74773.
All right, officer, is Officer L. Williams here? Yeah, Officer L. Williams is here.
Good morning, you all.
Put your appearance on the record, Officer Williams. Good morning, Corporal Williams, I'm sorry. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Corporal Lamont Williams, badge 4198, City of Detroit Police.
Very well. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with counselor and you guys can see if you can work something out on this.
Thank you.
Okay.
Mr. DiMaggio, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
What's gonna go on with this case?
Well, it looks like it's gonna have a happy resolution. I met with Mr. Kelbath last night. I do have his documents to get these charges dismissed.
Let's see. City of Detroit versus Paul Frank Calvis, case number SP 1455860, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Andrew DiMaggio, P45619, on behalf of Pavel Kelbath.
Is Mr. Calvav here?
No, could I waive his presence? He struggles with the Hungarian language, but I can understand him very well. I've represented him for a number of years.
Very well. I'm gonna waive your client's presence. You are retained, and you indicated that you have the documentation as well. That's what really.
Yeah, I photographed and sent it to my email. I have the doc the court wants. It was an officer.
All right, you can forward those to me as an officer of the court, Mr. DiMaggio. You stipulate that these documents are, you've seen them and they're valid.
Yes, I examined them last night.
I'd say this, they appear to be valid.
Yeah, they appear to be valid, very valid.
All right, I'm gonna dismiss the cases. That's registration and insurance, correct?
Correct.
I'm gonna dismiss the cases for provided valid documentation.
Okay.
All right.
No, I must tell you, as an officer of the court, he's been struggling a little bit financially, and he couldn't afford the full registration. But he had a 30-day one that cost $30. And on the document, you will see that it was good as of yesterday, but he was going in today and getting another 30-day registration. So I just want to provide that too.
Forward those documents to me, please. I can put them in his file. All right, Mr.
Certainly.
DiMaggio.
What's the email, Judge?
SEAN.Perkins@36districtcourt.org.
Could you put that in the chat? Is that possible? I'm a little slow today.
I can.
Thanks, Judge.
All right. You're all set. Have a safe, happy holiday season, Mr. DiMaggio.
That's right. Be careful out there. Looks like winter's come upon us. So
it is.
Take care, Judge. Always a pleasure.
You too. All right. Who we have next?
We're ready on Langwald.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Langwald. Mr. Mammoth, I've given you an opportunity, you and Corporal Williams, an opportunity to work it out. What's the deal going to be?
It would be reduced to a seatbelt violation.
Seatbelt?
Yes.
Is that what you say, Mr. Corporal Williams?
Yeah, that's correct. If that cell phone is able to be amended, then that's fine with me.
All right, amend to seatbelt. What's the seatbelt charge? Seatbelt. $65. I'm going to give you a client. You stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate. I'm going to give you for that stipulation. Find your client responsible for the amended count of seatbelt violation. $65. Paid by December 11th, 2023. There's nothing further. You have a very safe and happy holiday season.
Thank you.
And be safe out there to Corporal Williams. Safe and happy holiday season.
Thank you, too.
Thanks, you too.
Who do we have next?
Mr. Green is ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Bruce William Green Jr. Mr. Green Jr., can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth? Can't hear him. He's got to unmute himself.
Unmute.
I do, Your Honor.
Very well. You can put your hand down, sir. Sir, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, sir.
And you understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know by taking this deal, you'll be giving up those rights?
Yes, I do.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to March the 19th, 2023 at around 7:47 p.m. City of Detroit, area of 7 Mile and Mitchell Street, sir. Did you have an occasion undated come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, I did.
Operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Was there something wrong with the plates on that vehicle, sir?
Yes.
What was wrong with it?
They were expired.
Very well. I guess that would constitute improper plate as well. I'm going to find your client guilty as charged of the improper plate, $240 fine. That doesn't carry any points. It doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State. And I'm going to dismiss the misdemeanor when you pay the $240. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that no registration. Strike it. I'm going to just go ahead and give you an early Christmas present and dismiss that, sir, all right? $240, sir. When can you pay it?
Well, I start training for a new job this week. Can you give me a couple of months?
30 days?
Can extend it longer, please?
How much longer?
Give me an additional 30 on top of the 30 you just gave me.
Well, Ms. Mapp says, I'm gonna give you the day I started at Ford 28 years ago. That's January 29th, 2024. 8/25, come on back. Let's see where you are with that payment, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, congratulations on the job. Have a safe, happy holiday season. We'll see you in the new year, hopefully with that $240 paid.
Thank you, Judge. You have a good holiday.
Have a better one.
Thank you.
Miss Lewis?
Yes.
She's working hard there.
She's working hard. She's amazing.
And can we do Mr. Golston so that he can go back to, they won't let him clock in until he logs off.
Where's Mr. Golston? Hold on 1 second, Miss Lewis. Since you're getting paid, let me get rid of Mr. Golston so he claims he can't get paid unless he's off of Zoom. So I'm gonna take him. All right, City of Detroit. I don't know if that's a way to jump the line or not, but City of Detroit versus well, wait a minute. Golston, he hasn't paid, and he's working and he hasn't paid.
Did he already plea on these?
City of Detroit.
Were you saying he already entered a plea on these?
He entered a plea on the improper place as set for show cause. Seems like he did pay one. Let me see. City of Detroit versus Thomas James Golston, case number SP 1387541. SP 1467639, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1475572, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance and SX, State of Michigan versus Thomas James Golston, SX 4116592. Appearance for the record, please.
Oops, Cherica Harris on behalf of Mr. Golston, please state your name for the record.
Thomas Golston.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. We were seeking a trial date, but it sounds like we may not need that. I don't know.
No, we needed, he has some other stuff that's outstanding. He didn't pay, he doesn't pay. You working, sir?
I just started working, yes.
Oh. Well, he owes this money on these. He owes money on SX 419165592. He owes money on SP 1387541. Then the other ones, They're in default. He's got a 16 to 20 over, a 1 to 5 over, improper display of plate, marijuana in a motor vehicle. I'm going to assume that's smoking marijuana in a motor vehicle. In the passenger side of the motor vehicle. At least that's what the ROA says. So I can give him a trial/formal hearing on that stuff. The other
Please and
stuff
thank
he
you.
gotta pay. That's what you want, March the 8th, 2024 at 9 a.m. All right, Mr. Golson,
Yes. Can I say something?
you want to take that better driver's course as well and mitigate something on that 4-point offense, or you can
Yes.
say what you want to say?
Yes, I would take that. I was trying to get down to get on a payment plan because I just started working. However, like I don't get off work until 5 o'clock. And I had to be there so early.
I don't know how to help you with that. I don't know if they can do it over the phone or not. I'm gonna put on here, these other tickets, SP 138-75421 and SX 419-16592 reviewed on 4/8 as well, 2024, 9 a.m. will allow payment plan. All right, how about that?
Okay, thank you.
That reminds me of the Cash Me Outside girl. Cash Me Outside, how about that? You remember that? She made a lot of money off of that too. All right, betterdrivers.com upon completion, please send me a certificate to my email address. I'm putting that in the chat. You can take a screenshot of it, sir. It's your choice if you want to take it or not. It just, if you got found responsible or you want to make a deal to help mitigate some of those points. There's nothing further. You got something else further to say, Ms. Harris?
He indicated he needed a note for work. I'm not certain how he would be able to get that, but I did just wanted to address that for the record.
I'm sure we can get him a note. I don't know how it's going to work either, Mr. Luke. All right, he kind of needs that now, I guess. How you going to get it, sir?
Can I get an email to me or email to the attorney? I can get it from her. I don't know.
Put your email address in the chat and what's your work and stuff. What's your work? You have work information.
Put it in the chat too?
No, we just need you the email address. Put that in the chat.
Okay. And one more thing. Can you put the other court day on there too? For I can have it in there already. I get that time off with it for they want.
March the 8th. I mean, no, strike that. April the 8th. I'm sorry. I hope I haven't been saying March. April the 8th.
Okay, that's 2 days off my birthday. Okay.
All right. You put your email address, okay?
Yes.
TH. Next GH. STO 92 at Gmail. All right. Have a great day, sir. Best of luck to you.
All right, thank you.
All right. Let's go ahead. Who do we have next?
Miss Lewis, Your Honor.
Lewis. Tell him to come give me some of those White Castles. Where is Miss Lewis?
Miss Lewis.
We can move on. We can move on. She doesn't seem to be in a. What happened to O'Neill? Earl O'Neill. The one with the firearm.
Ready, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Earl Vincent O'Neill Jr. Case number SP 146034881. He has a civil infraction of 234559991. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. O'Neill. Please state your name for the record.
Earl O'Neill.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial.
Your Honor, after discussion and being advised of his rights, my client is. Oh, so for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Go ahead.
After being advised of his rights, my client does wish to have the matter set for trial. He is also requesting that an attorney be appointed, and I have provided his contact information in the chat.
All right. All right, sir. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mark the file need a court-appointed lawyer. I do have your number here. And email address. So you're going to have to answer some calls you may not recognize. That attorney doesn't call you in the next couple of weeks. Get back in touch with the court. We'll see what's going on with that. So I'm going to set a trial date for March the 8th, 2024 at 9 a.m. All right?
You said March 8th?
Yes, March 8th, 2024, 9 a.m. There's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Safe and happy holiday season. Love to you.
Thank you. All right, you too. Bye-bye.
Ms. Lewis, you ready? Or we don't have to take you now, Ms. Lewis. We can put you last.
Your Honor, I think the court reporter has a question.
Yes.
Mr. O'Neill.
You mean for the trial date to be April 8th instead of March?
Yeah, I meant the trial date to be April 8th.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right, thank you so much.
Have a good day, sir. Best of luck to you.
All right, thank you.
Who else do we have ready?
Ms. Lewis seems to be ready and poised, Your Honor.
You ready, Ms. Lewis?
Unmute.
Yes, sir.
You don't. I can take you last if you want me to, so you can go ahead and work.
I'd rather go ahead and get off this. I've been on here since 9 o'clock, and she ain't sussy.
Very well. City of Detroit versus Tantita Lewis. Case number SP 446151, SP 456233, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Perry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lewis.
Tantita LaShawn Lewis.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a trial. And then let's call Z791237. Right. Appearance for the record, please. Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant.
Any officers up here? I know Officer Vickers is not here. What about Officer Zawislat and Officer Lee Lester.
Miss Officer Lee is here present.
Officer Lee, are you here? Officer Lee.
Guess not.
I don't see Officer Lee. What was the deal?
No deal, Your Honor. Miss Lee has a valid license. She indicates. The other officers not having appeared, we're going to seek dismissal. No.
Last time the other officer was in jail.
You say what?
The other officer was in jail. That's what happened last time when I came to court in August. He was in jail.
How was the officer in jail?
I don't know. That's what the attorney told me, that he was in jail.
Did he go to jail?
He did. He was in jail the last court case.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. That's why I got a new trial for today. I was off work that day, but today I wasn't taking off. I was coming to work.
Where do you work? Which one do you work at?
At Store 58 on Grand River in Southfield. Come see us. We have the best food.
Are they any good? Are they any good?
Yes, we are amazing.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna check that out too.
My name's TT. Come see TT.
TT.
Yeah, Tantita.
You dodged the bullet, TT.
Thank you, sir. I'm trying. I'm doing the best I can with my life.
I mean, you know what I'm talking about, don't you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
How old was that?
2009.
Okay. Well, that was a long time ago. No, officer. So I'm going to dismiss. You make the motion, Counselor?
Indeed, Your Honor. We move to dismiss, there being no complaining witness.
All right. And Officer Lee was here?
He was in the breakout room.
Well, I don't see him now. I'm just going to put dismiss no recollection on that, since that was probably a pretty... Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Strike the dismissal on Z791237. That was pled to.
Oh.
That was pled to. I guess what was going on was Miss Lewis never showed up for sentencing.
When?
On November the 19th, 09. In front of Judge Donald Coleman.
14, how many years? Oh.
I don't know what to do about that.
In 2009? Okay.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, I don't know what to do it. I don't know what to do about that. I guess we're gonna have to send her to probation.
Probation?
Yes.
Mm.
Now she's not, now I can't come up there now.
You can come up here, but I ain't gonna be here.
Why do you say
I'm gonna be
that?
off that day. I'm gonna be off that day. Every time you come, I'm off. I'm running.
I didn't do anything though.
2009. Lord. I wish I could go back to 2009. Both my sons would be alive.
Oh, you don't have to say that, Miss Lewis.
I'm so serious. I've been a mess ever since.
I'm so sorry to hear that.
Me too.
I know you are. I can only imagine. I wouldn't wish that on anybody.
Every day. You probably
That
saw one
is-
of them on the news.
That is unfortunate. That is unfortunate. So the deal is, let's, I understand it's 2009. And, you know, I'm gonna definitely take in consideration that you have not gotten in any trouble since then, as far as I see. There's only this charge. Let's do this. Let's get you to probation and let's get a pre-sentence report. And
What's
that
probation?
way, well, we just need to, you need to speak with probation so that they can have a pre-sentence report. They may not have anything to report from that long ago. I don't know.
Okay.
But we got to go through the steps. And so we can get it closed out. So I need a good phone number from you, please.
313-778-3199.
All right. And I'm going to refer this to probation. They should give you a call. I need to set up a PSI. Let's get you back on for sentencing on 1/23, January 23, 2024. What I'm going to do is you need to contact, I'm going to give you the number to probation, 313-965-3414. Somebody should call you. I'm granting a motion to dismiss the other cases. The one case with Officer Lee, I'll just put no recollection since he's here. I'll waive the warrant fees. You'll be responsible to pay any reinstatement fees. And then we'll go ahead with referring that to probation. Somebody should call you, and I'm not going to put any stipulations on here. We'll see what you got to come in and call them. And they, once they call you, you're going to have to come in, they're going to have to write up a report. They may be able to do it over the phone or via Zoom, I don't know. And then we'll come back on 1/23/2024 and we'll get this matter closed out. Just don't get in any trouble in between this time, all right?
Y'all taking too long. I'm gonna get frustrated.
I know, but hey, just let's get through this, and then we'll get through this. Have a safe, happy holiday season. If you don't hear anybody from probation in the next week or so, zoom back in, all right?
So 965 is, and then what's the number?
965-3414 is the number to probation. You can call them. I have the file marked referred to probation, so they should be calling you.
Okay. Within a week, if I don't hear from them, do what you want me to do?
Zoom back in or call us and we'll figure it out.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Miss Lewis, I'm sorry to hear about your sons. I am truly. And I wish you a safe, happy holiday season. We'll get through this, continue to do well, and then we'll see you in the new year, all right? January 23rd, 2024 at 10 a.m.
Yeah. So what about the other tickets? I don't know
I dismissed those.
Okay, so just this one thing.
Yes.
So the tickets that I dismissed, will they be refunded my money?
Yeah, they will if you put some bond on there. Yeah, they will. Yeah, but they might want to. You might want to hold that down here until we get finished with this other case too.
Nope.
All right, all right, Miss Lewis. Have a good day. All right.
So I can come get my bond money?
Well, then, if you do, they're going to apply it to your reinstatement fees, and then they'll refund the rest. But they're not going to give you your bond money. They're going to mail it in a check, and that's going to come along in the new year anyway.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Have a great day, ma'am.
You too.
Safe,
See
happy
you at White
holiday season.
Castle. All right.
Huh?
See you at White Castle.
All right, but you said you weren't gonna be there now.
I'll be gone. I'm gonna let them know you come.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Yes.
I don't know how to get off of this. I'll leave.
I'll put you out. Who's next?
I had a Miss Glenn Robinson, Gloria Glenn Robinson.
Yes,
And
I'm
that
here.
Is she on the docket?
She is, Your Honor. She's under 830.
Oh, Gloria Glenn Robinson. Okay. Good morning, Ms. Robinson.
Good morning, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Gloria Glenn Robinson, case number SP 124-27191, SP 125-23101. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Miss Glenn Robinson. Please state your name for the record.
Gloria Glenn Robinson.
Are you on the phone, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
All right, today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. What's Ms. Glenn Robinson going to do?
Your Honor, the prosecutor asked that we look at the ticket to see who the driver was and check the status of their license. My understanding is there was possibly no driver listed. I'm not sure.
Nothing on here. There's no notes for what any driver on here. Was that disregarding a red signal ticket issued at the same time?
May I speak?
Go ahead, ma'am.
It was my husband that was driving. He said the ticket was thrown out. It was dismissed.
I don't know
Would you
what
like
you're
the
talking
ticket
about.
number? I said that was my husband that was driving, and he said that the ticket was dismissed. It was thrown out. Would you like the ticket number?
Yes.
What's the ticket number? Okay, give me 1 second.
Now let's pass the matter. Who else do we have? I don't know what she's talking about. The ticket is thrown out, Miss Harris.
I think she's indicating that her husband's ticket may have been dismissed.
What happened to Ori?
Your Honor, we did that one and it was a dismissal. She had a valid license and there was no officer present.
Let's go. Who else is next?
Gaines, Your Honor. We have Mr. Gaines.
Mr. Irvin Gaines?
Yes, Your Honor.
Julius Gaines?
Yes.
All right. City of Detroit versus Irvin Julius Gaines, case number SP 1427421, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gaines.
Irvin Julius Gaines.
Your Honor.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
Mr. Gaines indicates that he has a valid license. As the court knows, Officer Tanta is present.
All right. Let me run Mr. Gaines' license, please. Officer Tanta, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Morgan Tonti, Badge 3476 Precinct, Detroit Police.
Very good. Good morning to you. Let's run
His
the
license is valid.
It is?
I ran it. Yeah, his suspension was lifted. His license is valid.
No need. All right. What about blocking traffic for this due care and caution? Are you amenable to that?
Sounds good.
All right, blocking traffic 175, dismissing the other matters. You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes.
Saves you some points. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea, counselor.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, so stipulated.
All right, find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, Mr. Gaines. $175. When can you pay it?
Friday.
All right, I'll put it in there for next Monday on the 4th, just to make sure it goes through. Pay it at any that kiosk in the city of Detroit, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. I'm told you can upload that app to your phone. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Mr. Gaines, have a safe, happy holiday season. Officer Tonti, you do the same, and make sure you be safe out there. All right, Mr. Officer Tonti.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great holiday season as well.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, who's next?
Lipsy.
He's in the breakout room. Is he ready?
Well,
he's in 18. Have you spoken to him?
Yes.
Want him to come out?
Yes, Your Honor. I'd like him brought out.
Your Honor, I just took a moment to speak with Mr. Good. He's just asking for a new court date to get his insurance information.
I think I've seen Mr. Good plenty of times before. City of Detroit versus Benny Good, case number SB 148873551. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Good, please state your name for the record.
Benny Good.
You take your hat off, sir.
And for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Take your hat off, Mr. Good, please. So, enter a not guilty plea in your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Good, did not give you time to get insurance?
Yes, but I was laid off for a moment.
A name like Benny Good, I'm not gonna forget that. You know? All right. How much time do you need, sir? Come back pre-trial. January 23rd, last time, 2024 at 8:30. January 23rd, 2024, 8:30. Bring the proper documentation, all right?
Okay.
Have a great day, Mr. Good. Have a safe, happy holiday season.
You too, and thank you.
Thank you. Who's next? Lipsy?
Gonna bring him out.
He's out. What's gonna happen with Mr. Lipsy?
Your Honor, this matter is set for trial. Officer Nelson was in the breakout room. I don't see him now.
Where's Officer Nelson? City of Detroit versus Daryl Dwayne Lipsy, and the state of Michigan versus Daryl Dwayne Lipsy. Case number SP 1007012, counts 1 and counts 2, and SX 3752861. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lipsy.
Daryl Dwayne Lipsy.
So, there being no...
Is there a trooper, HOP, Trooper Hop, Travis Hop? Do you have a valid license, Mr. Lipsy?
No, this is my last stop, Your Honor. I took care of everything previous to this, and this is my last stop. I was in the restoration to get my license back. I did the restoration clinic, and this is the last stop.
Well, why didn't you go check for the license already? You didn't have to come here. You could have gone to the Secretary of State already because I don't see any of this stuff affecting your license.
Well, I had to pay. I paid my clearances on those, and then I was under the understanding that I had to take care of you as well in order to take them, because I have the paperwork for my the paperwork you sent in. I can't think of it.
Who told you that?
I got this from the lawyers from the restoration clinic. Also, what I was supposed to send in, because I didn't have any alcohol or drug related. Only thing I had was the tickets, and so I have to send in a request for a resubmission, I believe it was. I'm just waiting to pay off all the tickets and
your license is run deeper than that. Then and Mr. Officer Nelson never gave you an offer, did he, Mr. Berry?
No, Your Honor. And Mr. Lipsy indeed has valid insurance.
All right. Mr. Officer Nelson's not here. He didn't leave a note in the chat.
The motion is for dismissal, Your Honor. There being no complaining witnesses.
All right, I'm going to grant the motion to dismiss. No officer. All right, if there's nothing further, Mr. Lipsy, you owe reinstatement fees. I'll waive the warrant fees. You paid the reinstatement fees. That's going to be $135. Best of luck to you, sir. Have a safe, happy holiday season, all right?
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it very much, and I'll take care of it.
All right, best of luck. All right.
Thank you, sir.
All right. What do we have next?
I'm not sure.
I think the last name is Landrum. It shows as an iPhone.
Lipsy, you're free to leave.
Okay. Thank you. Have a great day.
Now I have Mukhtar's iPhone.
And I think the last name might be Landrum. Just looking at the docket, that's the only name I see that closely resembles.
Is that you, sir?
I attempted to have a discussion in the breakout room, but I think that he or she could not hear me. So via chat, I did explain that if they had their insurance, they should have it ready to show the court, if that's the only charge they in fact have.
There's a Tarina Long, I believe.
Those people are in the break. I still have some people in the breakout.
He says 455.
Ma'am, I found my ticket. Your Honor.
Yes, who's that? Oh,
Gloria
so yeah,
Glenn
let's go back on the record. Let's go back on the record with Miss Glenn Robinson. Miss Glenn Robinson, you said you had a ticket number?
I do, sir.
All right, hold on one second. What is it?
P as in Paul, 1252309.
Lamarta DeRay Robinson?
Yes.
Yeah, that ticket was dismissed. But we're not talking about those tickets.
Yeah, and that's why I believe I got the ticket, because
We're talking about the tickets that are in your name.
right.
So, Your Honor, with the ticket that you just looked up for the case number she just gave, is that from the same date and time as her ticket?
9/17/2021.
I do. Yeah, and that's the reason why I caught the ticket.
Hers is 9/17/2021. So.
Yes, the same date.
All right, so what she's basically, what I understand her argument to be is that Mr. Robinson did have a valid license on this day.
Yes, Your Honor.
But there's no way of me knowing if that was the case.
So the prosecutor's statement to me was, if we could confirm that there is a valid license from the person who was driving, then he was okay with the dismissal. But if we cannot confirm that, we'll have to set it for trial.
May I speak?
You keep on wanting
Because if his license was never.
Ms. Glenn Robinson, I think that just for a short window of time, just hold it for just 1 second, or I can put you in a breakout room and we can talk about it. I'm trying to resolve it for
Please.
you. You want a breakout room?
Please.
Okay.
Then she's got to disregard the red signal as well. All right, we'll pass the matter again. Mr. Barry's gone. Grayson, this is Grayson.
Yes.
How are you today?
I'm okay. How are you?
Ready as to Miss Tanisha Grayson, Your Honor.
Ready on Miss Grayson.
How are you doing?
How are you, ma'am?
I can't complain. Yourself?
I can't even. But I'm okay. City of Detroit versus Tanisha Grayson, case number SP 1473581. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Miss Grayson.
Tanisha Jewel Grayson.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Her not guilty plea on her behalf, give her a $0 bond. Go ahead, Mr. Berry.
As it turns out, Ms. Grayson has valid insurance that I have seen. And as to that charge, we would seek dismissal based on valid documents.
All right. I'm going to, as an officer of court, accept that representation. Ms. Grayson, want to dismiss the case. Have a very safe, happy holiday season, ma'am. All right.
Same to you. Thank you.
Okay.
We have a Miss Long, and who's not having trouble getting out of the breakout room, doesn't know how to do that. She's in 16.
City of Detroit versus Tarina Anita Long, case number, and the state of Michigan versus Tarina Anita Long, case number SP 139-33011, SP1, strike that, SP 831-4881, and SX 327-59581. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Long.
Tarina Anita Long.
Your Honor, For purposes of arraignment, we would stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on Ms. Long's behalf, give her a $0 bond. What do you want to do with these cases, Mr. Berry?
Your Honor, we need time to allow Ms. Long to get her license. She
Set
was
a
over the
pre-trial date,
Yes, thank you.
January 23rd, 2024 at 8:30. Okay, Ms. Long?
Yes, sir.
All right. Have a safe, happy holiday season, Ms. Long. Best of luck to you. I'll see you back January 23rd on 2024 at 8:30, all right?
Okay, I can go get my license now.
Hopefully.
Or I have to go.
I'll go check, and if you can't, make sure you tell them to give you a printout of what's holding up.
Okay.
All right. Have a great day.
All right, thank you. All righty, you too. Bye-bye.
We have Mr. Landrum.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, he's got his audio together now. What's gonna go on? Who spoke with Mr. Landrum?
We didn't technically get a chance to speak, but I was able to send him a message via chat. He indicated that he was going to have his insurance ready to show if that's the only case that he has.
He's got disregarding officer, so that's gonna have to be set on a trial day. Disregarding officer's signal and driving in an unsafe manner and no insurance. City of Detroit versus, is it Mukhtar Landrum? Did I get the pronunciation correct, sir?
Yes, you did.
Very well. Case number SP 1300333, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Sharika Harris on behalf of Mr. Landrum, please state your name.
My name is Mukhtar Landrum.
All right, today is the date and time set for
I was supposed to have had a trial date January 4th, but then I got this through the mail. So I'm not sure if this is something different or is this the same thing that I think it's,
sometimes it generates like that. Let me see what's going on. Because if that is the case, that's an easy one. It's January 4th on all three of them.
Count 1,
2, and 3. All right, January 4th. Yeah, make sure it's on 1, 2, and 3. All right, January 4th, Mr. Landrum. If there's nothing further, have a safe, happy holidays.
Second.
so I sat on here since 9 o'clock and I didn't even have court. Is that basically it?
You did have, you were on the docket today for a show cause.
That's right. Yeah. All of them should
So
be
what is
clean.
show cause?
It's said you didn't show, but it appears to be an error. So yeah, you sat here, unfortunately, and I apologize for that. So set the 1, 2, and 3 for trial / formal hearing.
So January 4th, right?
Yeah, on all counts.
And that's at what time again?
9 a.m.
9 a.m. January 4th. All right. So I'm good, right?
You're good.
Until January 4th.
Yeah, have a safe, happy holiday season. And again, I apologize for the delay in that. All right.
No problem. You have a safe holiday as well. All right.
Okay, Ms. Robinson, are you ready on Nisha Lee?
Yes.
Yes, Judge.
What's gonna go on with Nisha Lee?
A plea, Your Honor. There's an offer to reduce to impaired, driving while impaired, visibly impaired. And I met with Mr. Goss today.
You read her advice of rights?
Yes.
All right, you wanna go, let me see if I can pull her off the break out. And she has a disregarding signal. Why isn't that coming?
Pardon me?
Oh, she paid the disregard and red signal?
That's my understanding.
Yeah, she signed herself up with 3 points on that. All right, City of Detroit, let me see if I can bring her out. City of Detroit versus Nisha Sharon Lee, case number Z8088981. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning. If it may please the court, Sarah Robinson, P63181, on behalf of Miss Naisha Lee, who is present on Zoom. Miss Lee, state your name, please.
Naisha Lee.
Well, I can't even see you.
I'm trying to figure that part out, sir.
I can see something, but I don't see you.
Hold
You're
on,
not in the
camera.
camera's view.
Give me 1 second, sir.
Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. How you doing, Miss Lee?
Finding yourself, sir.
All right. Do you know you signed yourself up for 3 points when you paid this ticket today?
I wasn't aware of that, sir, but that's okay.
It's okay.
It's gonna
You're
have to
gonna
be. I
get another
paid.
4 points. All right. All right.
Is there any way that can be reversed, Judge?
But she said it's okay. And I was trying to speak and she asks if it doesn't matter.
Well, it's not okay with me. If it's possible, can that be reversed?
I'll set aside the responsible plea. I don't know why you're so cavalier about it, Miss Lee. But I'll set aside the responsible plea and amend it to blocking traffic.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, Z8088981. That was SP 15171411. I set aside the responsible plea. I'm gonna determine that Ms. Lee did not understand that she was signing herself up for 3 points, and then there'll be an additional 4 points if she wants to take this plea today. That'll be 7 points on her license. She indicated to me that it's okay, but I don't know. I don't think she's really aware of the gravity of that situation. That automatically triggers a letter from the Secretary of State once you get 6 points that they can suspend your license, and at 12 points they'll absolutely suspend your license. So I'll blocking traffic and close it out based on that payment. Z8088918. You want attorney tells me you want to plead guilty today, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. Who's over there on the side that you're looking at?
Jesus, nobody's here, sir.
I'm gonna take that as a smart comment. Jesus.
It wasn't like that, sir.
So you were fixed over there, looking over there to your right shoulder for a while.
There was no reason.
Why didn't you just say that?
There was no reason, sir.
Miss Robinson.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
You're gonna take this plea. And I already told her, they already swore in.
Judge.
Who has something in the background? Who's in the background?
That's
Sounds like
another. There's another Zoom participant that's coming through on a telephone, Judge, is what I think.
Is that what that is?
Yes. on the
All right.
7544 number.
All right.
And Your Honor, I
So-
think her last name is Robinson, so when you address Attorney Robinson, she might think that you're addressing her.
Oh, I got you. All right,
Oh, I'm
so
sorry.
Miss Lee, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 of fines, and it will come with some licensing sanctions?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Miss Robinson went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand those rights?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking this deal, you would give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
All right, let me draw your attention back to February the 4th, 2023 at around 7:30 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Luther and Midland Streets. Now, did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Did you have some alcohol during or prior to the operation of that motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Did that alcohol affect your ability to operate the motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
How much alcohol, what did you have?
I'm not sure about the consumption because it was all day consumption.
All day drinking. When you stipulate on behalf of your client that the BAC of 0.17,
Yes.
all right. With that stipulation, I'm going to find your client guilty of the amended count of operating while visibly impaired. I'm going to set a sentencing date. Is she under any, is she testing at all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Judge.
You
She's fully compliant. She also did a full inpatient treatment on her own. So she's doing well.
So if I check with the probation department, there will be no allegations of drinking?
No, sir.
All right, I'm gonna set a sentencing date for the January 23rd, 2024 at 10 a.m. All right, you're gonna have to get with probation, need a PSI report. You're gonna have to submit to a PSI, pre-sentence investigation report, ma'am. That report needs to be here on the day of sentencing so that we'll be able to review that report and get a recommendation from the probation department. I'm glad to hear that you're doing well in your sobriety. I hope that continues. And I hope you have a safe and happy holiday season, all right?
You as well, sir.
All right, thank you. All right, Ms. Robinson, anything else?
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Have a great day. All right, let's go back on the record one more time with Ms. Glenn Robinson. I do have a valid license for her husband or her significant other, or I think she said husband, right?
Yes, Your Honor. So we would ask that allowing be dismissed. We are hopeful that the disregarding the signal could be amended to blockading. And I believe she had started to make payments on it, but hopefully that payment can just be applied to an amended charge.
Ms. Glenn Robinson?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you get all that you wanted to say out to Miss Harris or to me?
Yes, Your Honor, I apologize.
What are you apologizing for?
I don't know. I just felt like, I just hope that I wasn't being aggressive. I don't know. I told her that this morning was a rough day for me, so.
Sometimes in court, you got to get a little aggressive, but you weren't disrespectful or anything. You asked, could you say something? And you continue to ask. I just didn't want you to say anything that violated your rights. That's why I'm glad Ms. Harris stepped in and kind of mediated for you. That's her job. She does a very good job of it too.
Yes, Your Honor, and thank you. She did.
All right. So based on the agreement that she already had worked out with the city attorney. Now, I don't know if your husband had his license at the time he was driving, but I guess since he's had a valid license now, they're going to dismiss it anyway, so it doesn't matter. I'll dismiss that, and then I will amend the disregard and the red signal of blocking traffic, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea, counselor.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
So let's see, you paid already you owe, excuse me, 204. Now you still owe 153. So you paid $51. I'll say $124. All right, based on that stipulation, I'll find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter. Ms. Harris?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Very well. I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. I'll apply the 51 she's paid, and then that'll be the total of 124. So that'll be a total of 175, but we'll just have it down here at 124. That's a 0-point offense and 1 abstract to the Secretary of State, and I'll dismiss the other matter. When can you pay this 124, ma'am?
Can you give me to the 18th, please?
Of this month, of next month?
Yes, this month. Well, no, I'm sorry. I apologize. December 18th.
Yeah, yeah, it's got to be. That's what we both. I'll give you to December 18th, 2023 to pay it in any dip that kiosk in the city of Detroit, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. If there's nothing further, you and your husband and family have a safe, happy holiday season, Miss Glenn Robinson.
Thank you. You as well, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right. I have one person, O'Neill, in the breakout room. Who's got O'Neill? Naya O'Neill, I think.
Is it an even or, oh, let me look. That might be Mr. Berry. Mr. Berry, did you talk to Miss O'Neill?
Yes, please. Let's bring him out. He needs time to acquire. That's Earl O'Neill.
Yeah, Shania sounds like a woman.
Right. I talked to Shania, but not Earl.
Earl's gone.
Oh, then let us bring out Miss O'Neill. And what's going to happen, Your Honor, is we seek more time to allow her to get her license. She owes money in Highland Park, and she needs a little time to pay that, and then she could get her license.
Ms. Harris, can you go in there and bring her out? I'm having trouble. Please. Oh,
I just did it the easy way. Sorry.
That's the last one.
Yeah.
And you ever find Shania?
Yeah.
This Shania O'Neill?
Yes.
Good morning to you, ma'am. This is good afternoon now. I'm sorry. This is the city of Detroit versus Shania Brianna O'Neill, case number SP 1245856, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1367601, SP 1488441, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1488971, U 6719623. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Miss O'Neill.
Shania Brianna O'Neill.
She's got that room all dressed up, doesn't she?
Yes, she does.
I like pink.
I see.
You know, Your Honor,
go ahead.
We need time, Your Honor, to allow her to satisfy a ticket in Highland Park and then pursue a license.
What about this business license ticket?
That's a question, Miss O'Neill.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What was the question?
You don't have to mention it. You don't have to mention anything about the facts of it. But what about this business license ticket? I'm asking, really talking to Mr. Berry. If you want to set a trial, I can give you until March the 8th. Strike that, April the 8th. For a trial on all of it. That'll give you a chance to get the business license situated and then get a valid license.
Yes, Your Honor. The business license doesn't show on the docket, so we didn't discuss that.
Yeah, I see.
Okay, yeah, I don't know about the business license. It's a LLC.
It's a ticket from June the 9th, 2023. In your name, miscellaneous business failure to obtain Atwater and Rivard. So I can she doesn't know. Let's set a trial date for all of it on April the 8th. In the meantime, we'll get some resolution in the business license. We'll get some resolution to all of that, but it'll help you if you go ahead and get a valid license, registration, and insurance. All right.
Okay.
So come back April the 8th at 9 a.m. All right, Miss O'Neill.
Okay. So until then, though, just work on getting my license and registration and insurance.
Correct.
Okay.
All right.
I met with I had attended the license restoration program.
Yes.
And to help get my license back. I want to say about a week or two ago. And I paid $340 for, I believe it was 2 tickets, and one was no proof of insurance, I believe. But I know I have a few tickets for that, like no proof of insurance. And she said that if I pay those, then it'll help me get my license back. I have one more ticket for $218 and for Allen Park.
I don't know. I don't agree with that. I don't agree with paying those no proof of insurance. It seems like you did pay them. From what I understand, that those no proof of insurance are looked at as a moving violation. Now, what happens here? Yeah, you got a couple of moving violations. You may have not be able to get a license for some time now. I would go to the Secretary of State now and see if you can get a license. You say you have something in Highland Park.
Allen Park.
Allen Park, yeah. I don't know what their offer they're gonna give you there, but you gotta take care of Allen Park and then go to the Secretary of State. But from what I understand, you pay 2 moving violations, or you get 2 moving violations and you don't have a license, they're gonna suspend your license for another 2 years. So just pay Allen Park, and then once you do, well, not pay. I don't want to tell you just to pay it. I want to go to court on that, you know, and you should have a lawyer. So don't let me just tell you, don't strike that, pay it. Go to court on that. You may have to pay whatever or not, I don't know what the outcome is going to be. But from the way I understand it, the moving violations will suspend your license for another 2 years. But once you go to Allen Park, then go to the Secretary of State, they should be able to give you a printout and let you know all of what's going on, all right?
Okay.
Anything further, ma'am?
You said the trial is set for April the 8th?
Yes, 2024 at 9 a.m.
Okay.
So that
I'll
gives
be
you
getting a notification about that, right?
hopefully you got one now though.
Yeah, I know, but April the 8th
Write
is
it in pink.
it's next year. I mean, you know what
Put
can
it in your
happen in
phone.
4 or 5 months.
Isn't that the phone? Doesn't the phone take care of all of that?
Yeah. I could put on my notes, but I gotta go back to my notes in 5 months.
Well, what about if you put it on a calendar and it'll remind you and tell you to remind you on that day?
I can do that as well.
You should get a notice though.
I'm sure I will. Y'all don't have no problem with notifying people.
Okay, then there you go. So why you asked the question you already knew the answer to?
Because I want to make sure from the judge. You the judge. I want to make sure.
I can't make sure because I don't send the notices out, but all I can do is I put it in the system and well, I don't mean put it in the system, I put it in the notes and they put it in the system, and then there's a whole bunch of layer process to get those notices out, I'm sure. We'll do what we do. We'll do what we do here to get you that notice, all right? And hopefully the court, and then it's relying on the post office too. Hopefully all those things work in sync so to get you your notice.
Right.
All right. All right. Have a safe, happy holiday season. I see you got a little one there, so both of you have a very good holiday, all right?
You too. Thank you. Happy holidays to both of you.
Thank you.